I'm cooking three different beans: Moong Dal, Masoor Dal, Channa Daal. These three lentils is mixed, and I left it in the water almost 2 to 3 hours to soak, which is already fluffy. So I'm going to add these ingredients right here: crushed black pepper, cumin seed, few cloves, all purpose seasoning, little crushed pepper, black seed, turmeric powder, bay leaf, cinnamon stick, and a little bit garlic powder. So these are all going in the. It will cook like almost an hour. So once this lentils mix and fully cooked, then I'm going to add a little bit oil. So that should be ready within next hour. I'm going to put a medium fire. So